I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the physical connection and file safety. First, identify the port on your laptop. USB-C and Thunderbolt give fastest transfer. USB 3.0 is fine for most tasks. Make sure the portable SSD has recent backups or that you've copied critical files elsewhere. Reformatting may be required. Once done, plug the SSD directly into the laptop using a short, reliable cable. If the drive has a power switch, turn it on. This gets you into the system promptly and safely. Once the SSD is connected, you need to make the system recognize and prepare it for use. On Windows, open File Explorer. On Mac OS, open Finder, locate the new volume. If you don't see it, open Disk Management or Disk Utility to initialize or assign a drive letter. This is a common requirement for brand new drives. Choose a file system that matches your workflow. NTFS for Windows-only use, Apps for Mac OS, or XFAT for cross-platform access. After formatting, create folders and move a test file to finish. Use the SSD for backups, media, or extra storage while following safe practices. Always eject the drive through the operating system before unplugging to prevent data loss. Make that a habit. For sensitive data, enable BitLocker on Windows or File Vault/encryption on Mac OS so your files stay protected if the drive is lost. If you encounter problems, try swapping the cable or port, rebooting the laptop, and testing the SSD on another machine. Those steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.